Hey, Sneekylinux back, yeah. Oh, yeah, been a long time, innit? Yeah, we're back in the groove now. Had to rearrange my schedules, you know what I'm saying? Today we are back with OS4 OpenLinux. Yeah, OpenLinux. Right, I will give a peanut to anybody that can tell me what it was called before, okay? It was called something before, but you can tell me first, okay? Yeah. Right, based on Ubuntu, well actually it's based on Kubuntu, actually, a Kubuntu base. And it's supposed to be OpenLinux and super duper for all. I have a few problems with that, but hey, on the whole, it's not too bad. This is the 64-bit version, the latest one I've got. So I thought, yeah, we'll have a bit of a look at this one and see what's going down. Now, of course, it's always a full install on a. This is a dual-core machine we're using. I think it's dual-core, 2 gigs. I don't know. Yeah, it's old anyway. Old, but it does the job. I'm going to take you a quick look around. As you can see, Kubuntu on the base. Does what it says. Time and date. Bloody. I don't live in London, by the way. Volume, my clipper tool, there's my screen recording doofers there, and we've got a little icon there for show the desktop, or minimise all open windows. Over here we have 2 desktops we can use. You can have as many as you like, you know what I'm saying. And over here we have, guess what it is? Show Activity Manager, which is, go there, and that's what it is. That's all it is, nothing special. So just, basically it's a KDE rework, okay? I was expecting a bit more. Many moons ago it was quite, I suppose, rather nice and quirky. But it's got a bit staid, I think. But hey, that's just my opinion. It's entirely up to you what you think, okay? We'll go to a menu. Yeah, KDE menu, really. This is stuff I've used. Blah, 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 blah. Right, one thing I'm going to ask you, right? How do I open my files? Okay. If you was a new user, where is an icon to open my files? Thumbs up. There ain't one, is there? Okay. So if you're a new user, you might find this a little bit difficult to find where some of your stuff has gone. But I'll show you where it is in a minute anyway. Anyway, we'll go through the menu. We've got some games there, which is card games, which is Patience, or Key Patience, because it's KDE based. I was really expecting a bit more. Oh, 64-bit version this one, by the way. Forgot to tell you that. And the graphics, you get all the K stuff, okay? There's a few more than you would normally get, but there's plenty here. So, Acquire Images, a Digicam, Expo Blending for exposure blending, G1 View for KDE image viewer. Yeah, it's all samey. You do get Inkscape and Critter. Okay, Critter got highly acclaimed a few months ago by somebody. You know it was. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. K Snapshot for taking your screenshots. If I open it up there, you can have a quick look. Should we take a snapshot? Yeah, we're taking a snapshot, and we're done. Basically, that's it. Done. We'll save it as. No, not really. Give it a bloody thing. Anyway, yeah, that's out of the way. What else we've got down there? It's pretty quick, as you see, even on this machine while recording, so I'm quite, that bit's okay. Panorama, yes, I can do panorama stuff. Photo layouts, editor for a management program. Under internet, yeah, Google Maps straight out of the box, it looks like. Google Voice for your phone and SMS. No good in the UK, by the way, only for the US. Blue Devil for your Bluetooth stuff. Chromium is the browser by default this time around, okay, yeah. Copet for your instant, it's gone again, look. Copet for your instant messaging. It's just how quick it is. KPP for your internet dial-up tool. Yeah, as if anybody uses that anymore. An IRC client, which is Quasar, and Thunderbird for your mail. Right. Some of you may say, well, I might not want to use Chrome and get Chrome. We'll get Chrome then. It's in Type 2, you can just download it and install it. Under Multimedia, we have Amrock for your audio stuff. AMZ Downloader, Audacity, I'm not sure what version it is, so we'll open it up and have a quick look while I have a bit of a drinkage, if you know. And nothing's got. Oh, took its time down. This is Audacity 2, as you can see, so all you Windows users, you ain't got it. Okay, I'll just have a quick drink. Hang on. Sort of lemony, because it's lemonade. So anyway, I've that full screen for you. As you can see, Audacity does the business. You can change what you're called from, where you're called to, stereo, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or how many inputs you ever want to, and as many bars as you want to open. A lot of us use it anyway, as you well know. Anyway, moving on. K-Mix for your mixer. You shouldn't really need that because I've installed the Pulse Audio Volume Control because Pulse is installed by default. Record My Desktop is installed by default, but it doesn't work straight out of the box. You have to do some fiddling, okay? If you really want to use it. Okay. I use Voco Screen because it's a lot easier for me. Under Office, we have LibreOffice, our ebook reader, and Ocular for your document reader. So if I go to LibreOffice Impress, which is your presentation suite, wait for it to open up and have a quick look. And I'll have a bit of a drinkage again. See, this is the thing when you're recording HD 1080 with a big screen. and our computer. Sometimes it takes some time, okay? So as you can see, that's what it says on the tin. What is this? About LibreOffice. It's version 4.1.0.4. That's a new one. So yeah, you can do all your school stuff if you're at school. Yes, I know at school a lot of you will use Microsoft products, and when you come home to use LibreOffice, some things will be slightly different, but you can get it all done, okay? Yeah, don't moan about it, just do it. Do what your dad says, man. Yeah, know what I'm saying? Yeah. Under settings, back up your stuff, your firewall configuration. I've got an NVIDIA card here, so I've installed the NVIDIA stuff. ICT for my control panels here, ICT from your Java stuff. OpenJDK, remaster syst, okay, for system backup, or remastering your CD or your system. And system settings. Oh no, something's crashed. Bloody hell. What a surprise. Good bounty for you. Anyway, all your normal stuff that you would get in KDE, display mode input, you can do basically anything you want from here, okay? That's fine. What else? Oh, utilities. Archiving tool, a backup tool, again, Kate for your text editing. Have we seen Kate before? We should have. So slow, yeah, fine. It just does what it says on the tin. It does the job, it gets the job done, okay? It's just for basic text editing, alright? You've got automatic mouse click, yeah, very interesting. Excuse me, a KMag, so a screen magnifier. Another file manager, which is Crusader. Super Caramba! It's desktop widgets and Synaptic for your touchpads, for your lappy tops. It does help run commands, switch user, and leave. Leave, don't go. Right, OS4 OpenLinux. What can I say? You know what, I can't actually say too much. It's just a KDE variant now, whereas before, moons ago, it was different. Now it's not. Whether you want to use it or not, it's fine if you like KDE. But you could just go and get KDE, couldn't you? Really. So next release, I really want to see some bits and bobs going down. Not just same old, really. I mean, they're going to give it, well, I've been running it for a little while. It's alright, you know. But there's nothing that gets me pie mesh jiggling in my bowl, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm only going to give it 88%. Sneaky Linux. Going out. I'll see you later. Bye bye.